Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Mr. Jallo from Chicago. We booked family package from Umrah, Hajj and Umrah package from
Chicago Hajj.
Chicago, Chicago Hajj and Umrah. But all what they tell us about Hajj, about Umrah for Mecca, we didn't get no guide, and we was not happy about that. We come to Medina yesterday, and we just met a brother here today, and inshallah he helped us out, and then he want to help us out for tomorrow so we can do the other remaining things. Most importantly, the Rawda and the Masjid Quba, want to visit those important places, and he said he can try his best for us to do that tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.